All right, gang, if you want a crazy, flashy, advanced West Coast swing move, that's what we're gonna bring to you today. My name is
Brian B.
And this is Miss Megan. All right, so Miss Megan told me, get your leg up, old man, for this move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. And even if you don't do it with your leg, I'm gonna show you how to do it with the right leg and the left leg. Let's talk through this, the technical part of this, so that when you do the cool leg part, you will not kick your partner or dance her off time. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Normally she would just anchor 5 and 6, but we're gonna pop her out. So to pop her out effectively, and everyone kind of messes this up, I think. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To pop her out, I need to accelerate her. So she feels a really tight right hand here. I'm gonna pop my hand here, and we're gonna go and 5. And 5. I'm gonna put her on this foot for 6 and keep it the same way we just did it in the video. I'm gonna turn her around in front of me, anchor step. But there is some keys to this that a lot of people blow. It still works, but especially when you get using this leg to lead it or the other leg, you're gonna need to know this part. So she goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Piece of cake on and 5. And 5. Now here, what I want to do, really good dancers will be able to stay on time, but not everyone will. That's count 5. This is count 6. There's no turn. There's no turn, so I want you to remember that. On count 6, there's no turn. Now I turn her 7 and 8, anchor step. Now the keys that I have to do through this whole thing is, and we're going to be replacing my left hand with one of my legs, right? I want something on her to stop her here. When I pull her back, I do not want to turn her yet. Then I need something else to turn her around and make sure she doesn't spin past me, right? So if you want to lead this with different levels of followers, not everyone's going to be a professional dancer, those are the keys that you need to do. Now, when we pop the leg in there, we're going to do both legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? I have the right leg. She's going to pop out all my right hand and my right forearm, and 5, right? This is gonna provide the stop somewhere in there, right? When I pull her back in on 6, I don't wanna turn her. 6, now I'm gonna turn her 7 and 8, 9 and 10.
That was very athletic
That was
of
pretty
you.
athletic. I used to be quite flexible, but 48 years old, the leg's not so high. I used to be able
You
to
held
kick.
it up there for a long time.
I used to kick up here, Miss Megan. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I will triple here, right? She pops out and 5. I catch with whatever I can, my heel. On 6, I pull her back in. She turns. Now here's where I have to do. I have to turn back around on a walk, 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 walk to make sure I catch her to put her back in front of me, and we can anchor step. We also had a teacher in the studio who used to do this with the left leg. There's a cool picture out there. Let's see if I can do it with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. He would catch with the left leg. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9 and 10, but you have to adjust your feet, right? That time I had to do all walks while she came in to free up the left leg. First time we did triples, 1, 2, triple step to leave my left leg free, zip, boom, anchor step. But if I want the other leg, that was my right leg, if I want my left leg to be free, I'm gonna have to walk through this. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is why I think JT leads this, because it's easier. And pop, and there's a hook right there. Hook, put her on her foot, triple step, anchor step. There is your super cool advanced move. If you want to learn advanced moves like that duck, you'll want to watch this video here we did during the pandemic. It's got a bunch of cool advanced tricks. You'll love it. If you haven't been to our website yet, check it out here, westcoastswingonline.com, and your email address. I'll give you some free stuff. See you on the dance floor soon.